Hello students, welcome to Diksha Karnataka channel. I am Ankita, your physics mentor, and in this video I am going to discuss about good colleges that are still available even if you have a higher KCET ranking. Okay, so what happens is after KCET result, students starts to compare themselves with friends, relatives, and they will lose their confidence, isn't it? So I must tell you that counseling does not only depends on rank, it also depends on smart option entry and also analyzing previous year cutoff. Okay, so in this video I'm going to discuss about previous year cutoff, branch cutoff. Okay, so please watch this video till the end, so it is going to help you a lot. Okay, so let's get started. So the first college we are going to discuss is SJB Institute of Technology. So this is one of the Bangalore located college and with decent campus and decent placement. Okay, so if you observe here, so this many branches are available in this college here. So for CS, you can see here, so for round 1, the cutoff is around 17K in round 1 and it went up to 24K in round 3. Okay, so for ECE, you can observe here. So for round 1, the cutoff is around 25K and it went up to 33K in round 3. Okay, so one thing I have to tell you that, so what happens is after round 1, student starts to panic and they will freeze their seat. So don't do it. So if you are not fully satisfied with your seat, no, so don't freeze your seats. Okay, so you can attend round 2 and extended round. Okay, so this is my suggestion for you. Okay, so the next college is Acharya Institute of Technology. Yes, and the college code is this. Okay, so this many branches are available here, and also this is one of the most popular colleges in Bangalore. Okay, so why Bangalore based college is popular? Because in most of the engineering colleges in Bangalore, no, they will offer a good internship, hackathons, and also networking is good in Bangalore engineering colleges. So even if average student can perform better in good engineering colleges. Okay, yes. So this many branches are available in Acharya Institute of Technology. So the branches are CS, AI, even EC, Triple E. So this many branches are available here. For CS, for round 1, so the cutoff is around 14K for round 1 and it went up to 21K in round 3. Okay, so for EC, you can see here. So the cutoff is around 24K in round 1 and it went up to 33K. Okay, in round 3. So for mechanical and civil, you can observe here the cutoff is very high. Yes. So the next college is Malnad College of Engineering. So I must tell you that this is one of the underrated colleges in Karnataka, non-Bangalore. Okay. So in this colleges, two section is there, one aided and another one is unaided. Okay. So for aided, this many branches are available here. For unaided, so these branches are available. So what's the difference between aided and unaided? You know that, right? For aided, the fee is low when compared to unaided. Okay. Yes. So that's why the aided seats have a higher demand when compared to unaided seats. Okay. So for EC, you can observe here for round 1, the cutoff is around 35K and it went up to 45K in round 3. Okay. Yes. So for unaided, this many branches are available in Malnad College of Engineering, and for CS, so the cutoff is around 30K in round 1 and it went up to 38K in round 3. Okay. Yes. So the next college is KLE Technological University, and this is one of the most popular colleges in North Karnataka because of its high reputation and good placements. Okay. So this college also have a unaided and aided section. Unaided have this many branches are available here. So for CS, for round 1, the cutoff is 8K, which is very low, and it went up to 10K in round 3. Okay, so for triple E, you can see here, so the cutoff is around 22K in round 1 and it went up to 33K in round 3. Okay, the next one is, yes, the aided, KLE aided have this many branches. Okay, so for triple E, you can see here, yes, for EC you see here, the cutoff is around 12K, which is very low. Okay, so it went up to 15K in round 3. Okay, so the next college is JNNCE. So this is also one of the decent colleges with good placement with the average KCET cutoff. Okay, so this many branches are available here. You can see here for CS, the cutoff is around 25K for round 1 and it went up to 29K in round 3. Okay, so for EC, so the cutoff is around 41K in round 1 and it went up to 58K in round 3. Okay, yes, yes. So the next college is MVJ College of Engineering. So this is one of the colleges which have a modern branches, like cyber security. Okay, and this have a cutoff around 51K. Okay, so the cyber security is a fast growing industry right now because of the companies needs protection from hacking, no? So this is one of the fast growing industry, I must tell you. Okay, so in MVJ, this many branches are available here. For CS, you can see here for round 1, it is around 20K and it went up to 29K in round 3. Okay, yes. So for EC, you can see here for round 1, it is around 27K and it went up to 42K in round 3. Okay, yes. So this many branches are available in MVJ college. So the next one is KLE Technological University, Hubli. Okay, so this college also have a 2 section, aided and unaided. Okay, so aided have this many branches. EC have a cutoff of 12K. So because aided, no, so have a higher demand. Okay, so 12K in round 1 and it went up to 15K in round 3. Okay, so the next unaided. So unaided have this many branches available in this college. Okay, yes. So for CS, you can observe here. So for round 1, it is around 8K and it went up to 10K in round 3. Yes, for triple E, you can observe here. For round 1, it is around 22K and it went up to 33K in round 3. Okay, yes. So the next college is PS College of Engineering, Mandya. Okay, so this is one of the decent colleges with good academics and good placement. Okay, so this also have a aided and unaided section. And aided, so this many branches are available here. For EC, you can see here for round 1, 16K is the cutoff. For round 1, it went up to 23K for round 3. Okay, yes. So for unaided, this many branches are available here. For CS, you can observe here, the cutoff is around 24K for round 1 and it went up to 31K in round 3. Okay, yes, yes. So for triple E, yes, for round 1, the cutoff is around 39K and it went up to 50K. Okay, in round 3. So the next college is Bapuji Institute of Technology. So this college also have a aided and unaided section. For aided, this many branches are available here. For EC, round 1, the cutoff is around 22K and it went up to 31K in the round 3. Okay. And also, these many branches are available in unaided section. For CS, you can see here that for round 1, the cutoff is around 35K and it went up to 44K in round 3. Okay, yes. For triple E, you can see here for round 1, the cutoff is 85K and it went up to 118K in round 3. Okay, so next college is PDA College of Engineering. So this college also have a aided and unaided section. For aided, this many branches are available here. For triple E, for round 1, the cutoff is 70K and for round 3, it went up to 125K. Okay, yes. So the next, yes. So PDA College of Engineering have unaided branches also. So these branches are available here. Yes, for CS, for round 1, the cutoff is 30K and it went up to 40K in the round 3. Okay. Yes. Yes. For triple E, you can observe here. So the cutoff is around 70K in round 1 and it went up to 125K in round 3. Okay. Yes. So the next college is Cambridge Institute of Technology. Okay. So this many branches are available here. This is also Bangalore located college. Okay. So for CS, you can observe here the cutoff is around 25K for round 1 and it went up to 31K in round 3. Okay. Yes. For triple E, you can observe here for round 1, it is around 48K and it went up to 80K in the round 3. Okay. So next college is Basaveshwar Engineering College. So yes, this many branches are available here. For CS, the cutoff is around 97K. Very high cutoff is there. Okay. So in round 3, it went up to 247K. It's very high actually, isn't it? Yes. So the next branch is EC. If you see the EC cutoff, so it is around 126K for round 1 and it went up to 216K in the round 3. Okay. So the next college is Global Academy of Technology. Yes. Yes. So this many branches are available in Global Academy of Technology. So for CS, you can see here, so the cutoff is 21K in round 1 and it went up to 29K in round 3. Okay. So for ECE, the cutoff is 29K in round 1 and it went up to 40K in round 3. Okay. Yes. So the next college is Ballari Institute of Technology and Management. So this many branches are available here. You can observe here for CS. So for round 1, the cutoff is 28K and it went up to 42K in round 3. Okay. Yes. So for ECE, you can observe here for round 1, the cutoff is 66K and it went up to 73K for round 3. Okay. So the next college is Mangalore Institute of Technology and Engineering. Yes, so this is one of the underrated college, I must tell, and the placement is very good in this college. Yes, so for CS, you can see here, the cutoff is around 24K for round 1 and it went up to 30K in round 3. Okay, yes. So for ECE, so the round 1 cutoff is 46K and it went up to 59K in round 3. Okay. So the next college is GM Institute of Technology. Yes. So these many branches are available in this college. So CS has a cutoff of 35K in round 1 and it went up to 54K in round 3. Okay. Yes. For EC, so the cutoff is around 54K in round 1 and it went up to 78K in round 3. Okay. Oh, sorry. So GM Institute of Technology have a cutoff CS. So its cutoff is around 57K in round 1 and in round 3 it is around 76K, which is very, very high for GM Institute of Technology. CS has a cutoff 57K in the round 1. In the round 3 it went up to 76K. Okay. So for EC you can see here for round 1 the cutoff is 78K and it went up to 108K in round 3. Okay. So for BLDEA college, so this college is actually good for affordable fees. Okay. So in this college for CS, cutoff is 35K and for round 3 it went up to 54K. Okay. So for EC you can see here for round 1 it is around 54K and it went up to 78K in the round 3. Okay. So the next college is Siddhartha Institute of Technology. So this college also have a 2 section, one aided, other one is unaided. Okay. So for aided, this many branches are available here. So for triple E, the cutoff is around 82K for round 1 and it went up to 260K for round 3. Okay, yes. So for unaided, this many branches are available here. Yes, for CS, you can observe here for round 1, the cutoff is 36K and it went up to 50K. Okay, 50K for CS in round 3. Okay, yes. For triple E, you can observe here, it is around 82K in round 1 and it went up to 260K in round 3. So the next college is Oxford College of Engineering. Okay, so this many branches are available in this college. Yes, for CS, if we discuss the cutoff, it is around 27K in round 1 and it went up to 38K in round 3. Okay, so for ECE, the cutoff is around 35K in round 1 and it went up to 59K in round 3. Okay, so the next college is Atria Institute of Technology. Yes, so this many branches are available here for CS. So the cutoff is around 29K in round 1 and it went up to 44K in round 3. Okay, so for ECE, you can see here 54K in round 1 and it went up to 81K in the round 3. Okay, the next college is KS Institute of Technology. So this many colleges are available here. You can see here the branch CS has a cutoff 35K and it went up to 40K in round 3. Okay, yes. So for EC, the round 1 cutoff is 47K and it went up to 54K in round 3. Okay, so the next college is SJC Institute of Technology. So in this college, so for CS, the cutoff is around 38K and it went up to 50K in round 3. Okay, yes. So the next college, next branch is EC. For EC, for round 1, 63K is their cutoff and it went up to 92K in round 3. Okay, so the next college is Don Bosco Institute of Technology. So this many branches are available here. For CS, you can see here for round 1, 34K is the cutoff and it went up to 48K in round 3. Okay, so for EC, the cutoff is around 58K and it went up to 82K in round 3. Okay, yes. So next college is AMC Engineering College. This is also Bangalore located college and this many branches are available here. So for CS, you can observe here for round 1, the cutoff is 37K and it went up to 49K in round 3. Okay, so for EC, the cutoff is around 36K and it went up to 65K in round 3. I hope this detailed video helped you to understand the realistic college opportunity available for your rank. So if you found this video helpful, please share and subscribe Diksha Karnataka channel.